Hi everyone, uh, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the new Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro, the latest rugged smartwatch from Amazfit. It has titanium bezels, sapphire glass, crazy battery life. It will last for more than 20 days. Uh, the Amazfit claims that it will last for 28 days, but as per my experience, for more than 15 days, it will last amazingly for 20 days. But is it really what to purchase? Let's find out. It is tougher, smarter, and a lot more premium than the older T-Rex 3 smart models. You get offline maps, better GPS, flashlights, and even a built-in speaker and mic. But yes, it is more expensive. The rates enumerated on the back side of this box is 70,000, but you will get it uh, from Amazfit website on, I think, 35,000, 34,999. Uh, at this moment, I think it is out of stock, but definitely it will get in stock. Uh, if we'll talk about the design and build up, at the first glance, the this thing screams rugged. The T-Rex 3 Pro has a grade 5 titanium bezels and sapphire glass for scratch resistance. The rest of the body is highly strength polymer, so it stays light on your wrist. You still get the tough military grade design, shock proof, dust proof, and I think as per the claims of Amazfit, it will 10 ATM waterproof. So it is bold, but it feels surprisingly comfortable for daily wear, I must say. If we'll talk about the display, the screen is beautiful, 1.5-inch AMOLED, always on display, with around, I think, 3000 nits peak brightness. So even in the harsh sunlight, visibility is perfect. The touch response is quite amazing, and watch faces. These are the watch faces. They look very sharp and colorful. Uh, this one, I think I have downloaded it from the Amazfit free face watches uh, portion in the app. So this is the watch, which is, I think, the best smart watch, rugged smartwatch at this time. If we'll talk about the health and fitness, so these are the fitness options available in this watch. The Pro keeps all of Amazfit health tracking features, heart rate, uh, SpO2, I think stress, sleep, recovery, all handled by their latest biotracker sensors. So you will get over 180 plus sports mode, from gym workout to open water. It also detects common activities uh, and sync data quickly to the Zap apps. Uh, if we'll talk about the GPS and maps, uh, uh, I think this is where the Pro shines. It has 6-band satellite positioning, super fast locks, and offline maps with run by the uh, navigations, turn by turn navigation for hikers and travelers. This is a huge step up, I think. You can download routes, I think, follow trails, and uh, never worry about the uh, losing signals. Smart features, if we'll talk about this watch, there are now a built-in speaker and mic for the voice calls. And I think Alexa reply is also available in this watch. And yes, there is a dual color LED flashlight right in the watch, perfect for the late night tracks or just finding the keys in the dark, I must say. If we'll talk about the battery life, battery is amazing in this watch. I think it will last for more than 25 days uh, on typical use, I must say. If we'll use always on display, then I think, or heavy GPS tracking, then it will last uh, for about 10 days. Charging is very quick, and the watch is reliable for the outdoor trips. If we talk about the price and value, so Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro is positioned, I think, as a premium rugged watch. It launched around, I think, uh, $390 globally, and pricing in India may vary a bit, but I got it from the Amazfit India website. I got it in, I think, 35,000, 34,999. Pricing in India may vary a bit. I think it is not cheap, but it is still far less than some Garmin and Sunto models. If we'll talk about the pro and cons, premium materials, amazing battery life, I think great GPS accuracy, and that flashlight is genuinely useful. If we'll talk about the cons, it is higher in price and still not as deep on advanced training metrics as Garmin watches. But for this price range, it nails the essentials, I must say. I think, why should you buy this watch? If you want a rugged smartwatch with real maps, offline navigation, and long battery life, this is the one to consider. If you are mostly indoor or just want basic tracking, you can save money with the regular T-Rex 3. So I I am a fitness enthusiastic and tracking lover, so I went for this watch. So I think everybody who loves tracking outdoor activities or rugged smartwatches, this is the time that this T-Rex 3 Pro is the beast. I think this is amazing and I loved it. So for the uh, fitness and outdoor lovers, I would recommend this watch to everyone because the battery life and GPS options available in this watch is truly commendable, and I would recommend this watch to everybody who love the outdoor activities and go for hikings. And at this price range, this watch has everything. So this watch is recommended from my side, and this is all about Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro. And Amazfit has come up with the amazing features in this watch. So I would love to recommend this watch for everyone. Thank you, guys.